You ever have that one friend on Facebook or Instagram? The one whose life just seems perfect? She lives in a picture-perfect house, has this amazing job she actually loves, and on weekends, her family goes on these dreamy adventures, camping in the woods, beach sunsets, fancy brunches. And somehow, every photo looks like a magazine cover. Seriously, who's taking these photos? Do they bring a personal photographer everywhere? And the captions? Feeling so blessed. So grateful for this beautiful life. Grateful heart #Sunday vibes. Now I'm gonna be real. I believe her. I don't think she's faking it for social media. I think she truly feels that joy. But here's the thing. Sometimes I find myself rolling my eyes. Not because I hate her, but because somewhere deep down I wonder, why not me? We don't talk about it much, but envy, comparison, and silent frustration, they're not just small thoughts you scroll past. They cost us something. Science backs it up. Studies show that even just scrolling through social media and comparing yourself to others can lead to depression. Not because the app is broken, but because our thinking is. And it's not just social media. It's in the quiet complaints we make. The my boss is the worst. The why do they always catch the breaks? The this isn't fair moments we play on loop. It seems harmless. But every time we feed those thoughts, we lose a little bit of our mental strength. Let me break this down. There are 3 types of mental habits that slowly wear us down. 1. Unhealthy beliefs about ourselves. This is the why me mentality. I shouldn't have to deal with this. This always happens to me. Listen, it's okay to feel sad when life hits hard. But self-pity? That keeps you stuck. It turns temporary pain into permanent identity. Instead of healing, you end up hosting a never-ending pity party. 2. Unhealthy beliefs about others. Ever say, they're making me miserable? Or I have to do this because of them? Nope, you're an adult, you have choices. And every time you say I have to, you give away your power. You don't have to work late, you choose to, because it has consequences. You don't have to tolerate toxic people, you're choosing how you respond. Take your power back. 3. Unhealthy beliefs about the world. This one hurts the most. The idea that the world owes you something. If I work hard, I should succeed. If I'm a good person, life should reward me. But the truth is, life isn't fair. Good things don't always happen to good people. And tough times don't wait until you're ready. That can sound harsh, but it's actually liberating. Because it means you're not doomed, and you don't need to wait for fairness. You just need to act. I learned this the hard way. At 23, I thought I had life figured out. Fresh out of grad school, landed my dream job as a doctor, got married, bought a house. I thought I was ahead of the game. What could possibly go wrong? Then I got the call. My mom, who was only 51, had a brain aneurysm. She passed away within 24 hours. Just like that, gone. I was shattered. She was my best friend. And even as a doctor, grief hit me like a freight train. But somehow, I kept going. I started healing. 3 years later, I finally felt like I could breathe again. And then it happened again. My husband, 26 years old, healthy, adventurous, collapsed right in front of me. Gone. A heart attack. No warning, no explanation. Just like that, I was a widow, alone, 26 years old. I wish I could tell you I handled it with grace and strength. I didn't. I cried. I screamed. I broke down. And then I did the thing we all do. I started asking the wrong questions. Why is this happening to me? Why does life keep taking the people I love? What did I do to deserve this? But I knew if I let those thoughts take over, they would break me. So I fought back. One night, I sat down and wrote a list of all the things mentally strong people don't do. That list became my lifeline. And every time I felt like falling apart again, I read it. Over and over. It reminded me that while I couldn't control what happened to me, I could control what happened next. Mental strength isn't about pretending you're fine. It's not about forcing positivity. It's about choosing not to feed the habits that hold you back. Just like building physical strength means lifting weights and cutting the junk food, building mental strength means practicing gratitude and letting go of resentment, letting go of comparisons, letting go of pity, letting go of the idea that life owes you anything. I once worked with a man with diabetes who'd given up. His mother died young from it, so he figured, why even try? But one day he decided to change one thing. He swapped his 2-liter Pepsi habit for Diet Pepsi. It tasted awful. He hated it. But his numbers improved. Then he swapped his nightly ice cream for a lower sugar snack. Then he found a beat-up exercise bike at a thrift store and started pedaling in front of the TV. His vision got better. His confidence grew. Eventually, he said, I'm getting my driver's license back. And he did. All because of one tiny decision. So here's my challenge to you. What bad mental habit is holding you back? Is it comparison? Is it self-pity? Is it waiting for the world to be fair? What would happen if you let go of just one of them? You don't need to change your whole life today, but you can take one small step toward strength. And trust me, that one step can lead you somewhere you never imagined. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're stronger than you think, but only if you stop getting in your own way.